Craigavon Borough Council are the lead council along with our 7 partners across the East Border region. We want to establish a cluster of micro, small and medium-sized enterprises within the East Border region that have the capacity, capability and confidence to work with and supply some of the major life sciences companies.
Well, the Life Science Supply Chain Programme really looks at companies from 2 perspectives, those within the life science sector and those who could potentially supply into that sector. The programme that we're looking to develop is looking at supply chain logistics for the supply chain companies themselves, where we can bring cost benefits, how we can look at maybe collaborative purchasing, but essentially you're looking for them to be a benchmark and a trial centre for potential suppliers into the sector. To be able to supply into the sector, I mean, it's a very, very heavily regulated industry, life sciences, and one of the ways that life science companies need to select suppliers is to look at their credentials in terms of regulatory compliance. So part of the programme is actually going to be looking at companies outside the sector that have never had exposure or any sort of activity within life sciences to understand the standards that we now need to comply with. We're going to work with them in terms of mentoring, in terms of best practice workshops, best practice visits to sort of gain some learning so that they can actually develop that capability.
The European Union is investing in your future by supporting this project through the European Regional Development Fund.